Looking for the perfect all-in-one grooming solution? Whether it's for you or a special gift for dad, this 5-in-1 men's electric beauty kit has everything you need. This compact yet powerful kit comes with a hair trimmer, nose and ear trimmer, eyebrow shaper, beard trimmer, and a precision shaver. It's designed for men who want quick, clean, and convenient grooming, anytime, anywhere. With USB charging and a rechargeable battery, you can forget about messy wires and expensive replacements. It works on low voltage, so it's safe and energy efficient too. The trimmer fits easily in your hand, is lightweight, and perfect for travel or daily use. Whether you're styling your beard, shaping your eyebrows, or giving your sideburns a quick trim, this tool does it all with ease. Plus, it's the perfect Father's Day gift. It's practical, stylish, and something every man will appreciate. Just a quick note, before using this product, make sure it complies with the laws in your area. Always follow the proper guidelines to avoid any issues. Ready to upgrade your grooming game or surprise someone with the perfect gift? Click the link in the description to grab your 5-in-1 electric beauty kit today. Stocks are limited, don't miss out.